We've done here in Darwin in conjunction with my engineer is that we've done the wind loading tests to verify documentation, and because here in Darwin we have the toughest building regulations in the world, and it's a test bed and with an air mattress underneath that put it up to, we took it up as high as 15,000 kilopascals. So that would be a wind speed of over 1,000 kilometres an hour, probably, roughly, I think. And if you had a wind speed like that, you'd be in a hole in the ground because there'd be nothing left up here, it'd be gone. And Cyclone Tracy, I think, from memory, was something like 250 kilometres an hour. So their class now, they say it was only a type 2, but it was a lot higher than that. So when we do the test, we'll take it to the panel to there, to the what Tracy was, and then just show you how much flexion there is in the panel. Yeah, we've done a couple of tests on another brand panel, and they had the earth hole right in the centre at the top and the bottom. We put it under pressure, it just went bombo right where that screw line was, and it failed big time. Didn't even reach anywhere near what they're saying is on their documentation.